Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Ibis Paint or running it inside an emulator. This gets the exact mobile interface on your laptop. Once installed, sign in or continue as guest so your brushes and cloud data can sync. Next, create a new canvas, pick a preset or custom dimensions, and set resolution to 300 dpi if you plan to print. Make sure color profile and units match your workflow so colors and scale behave predictably. You now configure input and workspace to match laptop use. Map pen pressure in emulator or tablet driver and enable stabilizer for smoother strokes. Once done, build a logical layer stack, sketch, linear, flats, shading, then effects, so edits stay non-destructive. Make sure to create folders for groups. Then customize and import brushes, tweak size, opacity, and blending modes so brushes behave like desktop tools. This saves time and prevents rework as you paint. You finish by refining and exporting. Merge only what's necessary, then export a PNG for lossless quality or PSD to keep layers for later edits. Save incremental versions and enable cloud sync or keep local backups to avoid accidental loss. If performance drops, make sure to reduce canvas dimensions, lower FPS or hardware acceleration in the emulator, and close background apps. This resolves most lag and pressure issues quickly. Finally, test final files on the target device to confirm color and size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.